Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. I welcome all of my new subscribers and all of my existing subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for the love, support, and loyalty. Okay, let's get right into what I have going on here. As you see, I have some Irish potatoes that have sprouted, and I have a sweet potato that has also sprouted, and I had them in my pantry. It is dry, dark, and warm, so they decided to sprout. So what I'm going to do, the Irish potatoes, I will stick in the soil, and I think what I'll do with the sweet potato is probably put it in some water and let it get some more sprouts and roots, and then I will put it in the soil. But I'll just see how it goes. There was no need to throw them away, so I decided I would just stick them in soil. But anywho, just want you guys to see that, and I would appreciate it if you would like, share, give the thumbs up, watch my video to the end, ring that bell, make comments, and we can interact together. If you have any suggestions about how to do these potatoes or what I should do, feel free to say, because I am by no means a farmer. Don't pretend to be one. And the gardening thing for me is newer than a lot, though my husband always did some light gardening, but it was mainly his project, and we haven't done it in years. So my grandson decided a year ago, more than a year ago, that he was going to do some gardening. So here we are. We're kind of doing this thing together, and I think that's about all that I have to tell you. I'm about to run out because I have to run some errands and do some things today, and I'm going to try and pick up some more soil. I have some fertilizer, but I'm going to look for more. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a little dreary in my neck of the woods, but